What's going on, guys? Back in the garage today, we are going to be putting a strut bar, one of these guys, on the old Cavalier. Really simple, really stupidly simple. You are going to need a 13 mil ratchet on a ratchet. And that's really all you need for this specific setup. So pretty much what's gonna happen is this guy right here is gonna go on there. The other side of it right here is gonna go on there. These cars make it stupid simple. And just a side note, this is off of a 3rd gen convertible Cavalier. It actually runs right across the back of the firewall, or bulkhead, or whatever you want to call it. Makes it super easy. So pretty much what you gotta do, remove these bolts. All right, then you take your bar. It does go this way. Does fit. All right. Now you take your nuts, go right on top. There you have it, guys. One strut bar installed on a 2001 Cavalier. Now, there is a tie-in right here. If you wanted to, you could actually, you could actually like drill a hole, tie that into your firewall, but I don't think it's really needed. There's one side, there's the other. And you notice how like it will actually, it clears everything, which is really nice. Clears all the AC components down here, all the wiring. Kind of just loops around everything. Fits really nice. Instead of, like, they have the aftermarket ones that go from here like straight across, but then you run into this thing. So right now this has the 2200 in it. I know it's a 130 horsepower Fury, but it's as simple as that. Other cars may be more complicated, but that's just like the gist of what it does. Pretty much what it does is that strut tower and that strut tower, there's a potential of them moving in and out. That helps strengthen that spot. And I know on older cars, they actually can flex more than on newer cars because the steel, like this whole bucket, will actually fatigue over the years. And same with that one. Like all the little spot welds, because these are all just spot welded, see? They'll fatigue over the years and it'll actually flex even more. But that's just something simple you can throw in your car. It's as easy as that.